Do you need to know how to link your telephone to your Jeep Renegade? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. And in this video I'm sat in a 2015 Jeep Renegade, and it actually has the slightly larger entertainment screen. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to the screen itself. There are a few steps that you may be finding some difficulty with. For instance, if you actually go onto the system and go into settings, it only actually allows you to store a certain number of phones. So I'm just going to first off show you how to delete a phone. So you're just going to go down the list. You can go up and down. There's only one stored on this car. Hit the cog there and then delete device. And then we know that we've got a nice clear list there for us to add our new devices to. So like I say, relatively simple to do. And first off, you're going to have to obviously turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Now I'm an Android user, so you swipe down from the top and then tap on there. So my Bluetooth is already on. However, I'm not actually finding any devices down the bottom. So what I need to do is just go in here and go add a device. And then that comes up with what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for Uconnect, and it gives me a PIN number as well. So now when I go back to my phone, go down to the bottom, I've already got Uconnect there. So I'm going to tap that. And then it says, do I want a pair? And yes, I want a pair. Now it hasn't actually asked me for the PIN number because it's done that itself. So I'm going to hit accept on the screen there. And that is now pairing the devices. Now there will be a few prompts. Like there we go, we've got one there saying it's successful. And on my phone now it's saying, do I want it to access my messages? So I'm going to hit allow. And it should also come up with one about the phone book. Yep, that's now come up now. So allow contacts, allow. And then that will take a little while just to download your contacts into the entertainment there. And it's already got, see, phone books now come up. So you can actually go into phone book and start to see my contacts populate. And then I can also go into my recent calls as well and start to see who I've called and who called me. So relatively quick and easy to do. With the messages, it'll only start to record the messages once you start getting the messages through. So there you go, nice quick easy video for you today. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.